Good evening, folks. Now we're gonna solve number this is 10A of 5E for our AS level. Yeah. Question. So this is 10A, question 10A, and they say solve for x, right? For this domain, we have to solve this equation, right? So to start off with this, you just write it on a new line. I have 4 tan x is equals to 3 cos of x, right? So to do this, I'm going to start off. I know that sine tan x is equals to sine over cos. We're going to say 4. Sine x cos x is equals to 3 cos x, okay? So what do we want to do? I can think of getting rid of this one on this side, and to do that, you'll have to multiply by cos x on both sides. So that's going to be 4 sine x multiplied by cos x all divided by cos x, and this is 3 cos squared x, right? And this cancels out, and then you're left with 4 sine x is equals to 3 cos squared x, right? And we know that cos squared x plus sine squared x is equals to 1, okay? So then this then becomes 4 sine x is equals to 3, right? If I want, I have to take the sign onto that side. 1 minus sine squared x, okay? Now, I can expand this. 4 sine x is equals to 3 minus 3 sine squared x, okay? Then bring things to the other side. It's going to be 3 sine squared x plus 4 sine x minus 3 is equals to 0, okay? Now we can let this be, let's say, let sine x is equals to a. I like a. So then this becomes 3a squared plus 4a minus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, and then we can solve this quadratically. All right, with the quadratic equation, quadratic formula. And if you remember the quadratic formula, it's going to look like so a is going to be minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a, right? And don't get confused with this big A. This is going to be a, this is going to be b, this is going to be c, okay? Okay, and then from there, we can now say that a1 is equals to minus 4 plus 4 squared minus, did I just say, yeah, 4 times 3 times minus 3, okay? All over 2 times 3. And then we can just copy this. So this, we can copy and paste it. Ooh. Okay, that did not work. And then paste it somewhere. No. All right, let's do that again. Let's try it out. This, we duplicate it somewhere over there. Right. And then this becomes A2. Ooh, this becomes A2, and this becomes a negative, right? So then we can now solve for A1 and A2 with our calculators, right? And get 0.535, and we also get negative 1.869, and let's just verify that. Okay, let me just verify that again. So that's going to be minus 4 plus 4 squared minus 4 times 3 times negative 3 divided by 6. Yes. Okay, so this is correct, right? Cool. Now we have to say that, remember, sine x is equals to a, okay? Then we have to bring our quadrant. Remember, all students trust Cambridge. Okay. So sine is positive in here and also here. Right, so we can say let's calculate this. You can say for here, for this one, maybe sine inverse of 0.535, and on the side is going to be pi, because this is more than this is in the, essentially we're trying to find this angle, right? This is in the second quadrant, so it's going to be pi sine inverse, right, of 0.535. Okay, and then what we'll get there is pi minus sine 0.535. Okay, so we will get on this side 2.57, and then on this side we get 0.546, right? Keep it in brackets. And then for the negative 1.869, we're not going to do. Why not? Because we know that sine x, right, is between -1 and 1. So there is no solution for this. Cool. That's that.